Hello everyone, how are you doing? In today's video, I'll walk you through a practical, step-by-step guide with some useful tips to help you create new Instagram accounts successfully. Over the past few days, Instagram has introduced stricter restrictions in several countries, making the account creation process much more limited. However, by using high-quality proxies and following a few best practices, it's still completely possible to create new accounts successfully. Before we get started, there's one thing you need to understand. Your proxy is the most important part of the entire process. You need to use a reliable proxy with a clean IP address. This is one of the biggest factors in avoiding restrictions and account creation issues. If you've been receiving frequent errors or limitations, there's a good chance that your proxy is the reason. For this reason, I recommend using 4G mobile proxies or dedicated residential proxies. Always choose trusted providers, and whenever possible, use dedicated proxies. This can significantly reduce the chances of running into Instagram's restrictions. Now, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap Create New Account. On the registration screen, enter a phone number. At the moment, this is the method that has been producing the best results. If you already have high-quality Gmail accounts, you can use those as well, but I recommend testing with phone numbers first. In this tutorial, we'll use phone numbers purchased from Grizzly SMS. Simply purchase a number, enter it into Instagram, wait for the verification code, and then enter the code when prompted. Next, create your password. Avoid using repetitive or predictable password patterns. Instead, create unique passwords for each account, as repeated patterns are much easier for automated systems to detect. After that, choose a name for your account. The more natural it looks, the better. Now, simply complete the remaining registration steps. If Instagram suggests following a few accounts during the setup process, go ahead and do so before finishing the registration. That's it! Your Instagram account has been created successfully. As you can see, the account creation process itself is actually very simple. What has the biggest impact on your success rate is the quality of your proxy. That's why choosing a good proxy isn't optional. It's the foundation of the entire process. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or contact us through our official support channels. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.